Hi there guys, my name is Korak, and for a long time I was looking for a good everyday phone that's user-friendly and convenient to use. That's when I came across this one, the Redmi 9A phone. Let me tell you more about it.
The box comes with a power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool and a user guide to help you get started. It comes with a 13-megapixel rear camera with AI portrait and AI scene recognition for all photo lovers. Selfie lovers, it's got a 5-megapixel front camera for you as well. The large display is pleasant and immersive with a 6.53-inch HD Plus multi-touch touchscreen that boasts a 1600 by 720 pixels resolution. It even has a reading mode that is TUV certified. With all of our photo and video requirements, storage is necessary. And the Redmi 9A has 2GB RAM and 32GB internal memory that can easily expand up to 512GB. The Android V10 operating system is supported by the Mediatek Helio G25 octa-core processor, fast and high-performing. Lastly, the 5000 mAh lithium-polymer large battery gives you several hours of continuous talk time, and it also comes with 10 watts wired charger for quick charging. This sleek dual-SIM phone in the shade Nature Green features an Aura 360 design with concentric patterns for added grip. It is even protected by P2I and coated with splash-proof nano coating for added protection.
This phone also comes with a manufacturer warranty on the headset and the accessories as well, so try it out yourself.